Welcome to Victory Heights, and this is an absolutely fabulous 5/6 bedroom villa facing the park, fully upgraded and renovated. It's as if it's brand new, and quite frankly, the price per square foot, look at the details below in the description. It really is one of those special offers. Cannot miss if you're looking for a ready home. So we walk through the door, everything is brand new. I mean, just look at this beautiful flooring as well throughout. I'm just going to quickly walk you to get a feel of the house, and then we'll go room by room. Here's the house, the kitchen, living area, and we go out onto the swimming pool and outside, which faces the park, and we'll see all of that from upstairs as well. But anyway, let's head back to the front door, and then we'll work through this room by room. I just like to give you an orientation so you don't get confused. So we walk in the door, and on our right is the door into little bathroom. So I really love this beautiful marble that you're going to see throughout the house, and some nice paneling. Everything has been attention to detail is phenomenal. So you've got a bedroom downstairs, and it is a furnished property. The furniture doesn't come with the property at this price. However, everything is negotiable. So get in touch with or without an interest in the furniture. But you see, it's the same marble throughout the house, which I absolutely love. Beautiful staircase up, and that goes out to the back door and into the maid's room. And then let's come through to the main house. So this has now been made into a nice sweet little lounge, and of course if you've got kids, that could be, you could shut the kids up in there with the kids playroom and movies, etc., or it can be just another lounge. And then you've got, this was an extension, so this is actually an original C2 type. So this was an extension, and it's just been made into a beautiful smart living area here, no less. Really love that paneling as well, and quite frankly I love their taste in interiors as well. So here we have it, and then let's go to the best part of all, I believe, is the kitchen and the dining area. So just look at this, absolutely spectacular. Again, you've got the same marble, you've got wine fridges here, beautiful arch here. And then look at this, such a gorgeous island here. You can sit up for lunch or breakfast. And you've got all the white goods, they are included as well. And I love this sort of drop sink. Really nice. So it's just such a nice family spacious kitchen. And then if we come through this cute little door, this is the maid's room. So there's the maid's room and their toilet and shower, and it's quite a spacious maid's room actually as they go. And you've got, again, the same marble with your utility room here. That was the door back to the main house. And then let's just go outside and check out how this all looks as well. So got the outside barbecue, kitchen, entertaining area, lots of different places to sit. So just check this out, just beautiful. And of course it's winter right now, so it's perfect weather to be sitting outside. And they've done all the artificial grass down around the whole house just to ensure that it's a great area for kids to play, especially if you check out down this side of the house. There's an enormous front lawn area with a football pitch, and in fact just beyond that house over there straight is the golf course. Okay, so really it's just breathtaking. You've got an outside shower here, and here is the swimming pool, and that's looking up back at the house. I am just going to take you out of the gate, because the best part of Victory Heights in my mind is this park, and it's a really established community. So for those of you watching this from overseas and you're not familiar with the communities, Victory Heights is over 13 years old. So this is your gate straight out, and check out this park. Isn't it amazing? It feels like you're in Europe. Absolutely enormous. So the kids can go down on their bikes, you can play football right outside the house gate. That is so rare these days to find houses this spacious, this modern, a really good price tag, if I do say so myself, and you're right on the park. And I know many of you watching who are moving here, and obviously with your children, it's all about the location to the parks. So this house literally ticks that box. Okay, let's walk back into the house. I won't go too quickly because I know it's so beautiful. You just want to check it all out like I do.
Okay, let's head upstairs. So we've seen one bedroom downstairs. Here we go, walking down. This is upstairs, a beautiful window here as well in the hall, so you've got maximum lighting. That was the front door. Okay, so we've got up here, one of the bedrooms here. There we go. All cupboards inside fitted, and this lovely bathroom, really nicely finished. Another bedroom here. These are great kiddies rooms. Here we have it, all the cupboards fitted, all brand new, and all the bathrooms have been done. Oh, I mean, everything is literally brand new. You just move in with your suitcase. Okay, so the next bedroom, which is actually an office. So here we have an upstairs study, office, music room, gym, whatever you want it to be, but just really nice. Another bedroom here. So we've seen 3 bedrooms plus an office, 1 bedroom downstairs. Here we have it. Okay, you can just see a little bit outside. And that's the bathroom in here. Again, brand new with a shower. Fitted wardrobes. And then the last is the master bedroom. So here you have it. Really, really lovely. And views straight out of the garden and then over to the park. Look at that, it's just gorgeous. Okay, and then look at this. You've got a massive dressing area. Look at this, beautiful. All the rich wardrobes. You can put your sunglasses, your belts, your jewelry, and then check out the bathroom. Standalone tub. Lovely, this double sink, the marble, and then I love this shower. It's really, really nice. So there you have it. Okay. So if you would like to come and view this property, it is probably not going to be here, I would say, in the next 3 to 5 days. It is going to go because of the location and that park. I mean, it's right there on the park. But do get in touch with me. The details are below in the description. As always, you'll see the build-up, the plot, and the price, and my number. So you can call me. We can arrange a viewing. If you're not in the country, we can do the whole purchase without you even being here. Just get in touch and I'll take you through all of the steps. Thank you so much for watching my video as always. Thank you so much from Victory Heights.